mean, if you have to have a restaurant that is serving food and you suggest the wine that you order, the only places that's not popular, you order your own wine. In Manios, the Insti they really have like a menu. You order this, you have to pair this with this wine. So before the dinner ends, you have to find. Wow! New hair!
Ito na bakla si Pastor na bakla. Bakla si Pastor. Bigyan mo na yan. Wine muna. Ano? Baso.
Grace.
Oh, ano?
Say your respect first.
Ano ba yung ano nakaburol?
Hello.
Properly. Makain na ka sa restaurant niya.
Oh, that's cool. That's
The right place. The right place.
Yeah.
Alam mo kung paano kami nag-ano ni Grace? When was that? Last Saturday?
Yeah, we were saying we will come out and
No, wait. Di ba? I couldn't find the 187 couldn't give us the number of Gitaro. But I called you. I called you.
Okay.
So we ordered, so ganun na lang sa bahay eh.
Yeah.
So we ordered
in white plate? You were in white plate?
No. You were here in Balibrate. My son lives in
Okay.
So we ordered.
Ito muna yung
I will be opening in Balibrate in SM Supercenter.
Pinakamalaka.
Really? Hypermart?
Hypermart, yeah. Beside Watson. Sa tabi ng Watson.
Diyan din ako sinimulan nila kami.
Lipi. Okay.
Hindi, ano tayo?
Small, medium, large.
Actually, I just work.
Pare, anong plano mo? Gugulatin mo na naman sila sa internet? Guess who? Naikahan na lang kita, Andy, kasi ito hindi mo kayang gawin eh, no? Pag-pindas makapagbok. Sayang eh.
No? Bakit sa mga extension?
Pakita mo extension the other side. There's this new place.
Mabuhay.
Kalusugan ng lahat.
Bagong panahon. Parang ganun extension. No, it's a mall.
The one of RJ before.
Galing ako sa